vaccination. It's vaccine day.
I-U-turn ko. Dito pa kayo mga sa kabila.
Opo.
I-U-turn natin ha.
It's vaccine day. Oh, we're going to school. Hi, come here. David. Going to school. Makapit kami. School na. Lucia, let's go. Third floor. Say third floor. Oh, oh. Okay, go. Let's go. Up. One more. Lucian, don't run. Pag come on. Don't run. Up, up, up. Don't run. Third. Oh, go. Knock, ha? Knock sa door. 6 hours. Bye-bye. Shano! Lucian, come here. Oh, Lucian. Pick up Lucian. Wala pa. Pick up Lucian. $39. Let's get Lucian. Let's get Lucian. Let's get Lucian there. Ay, nangurot. Say sorry. Lucian. Bad. Don't do that. No ouching, no hurting. Uy. No ouchie, ah. No ouchie. Lucian. Say sorry. Sorry. Go home. Lucian, you wait. Lucian. Lucian. Go. Oh. Dahil na yun, nasa may taas. Yan, yan, yan. Diwa ko lang. Oo. Hello, my love! Wait si Mami nga. To check up Ate Luis. Going to Antipolo Doctors. Antipolo Doctors.
We are now serving patient 336. Please proceed to OPD registration station.
Di pa ako naliligo. we're done with the check-up. Oh, what did the doctor said? Drink water para ma-help ang iyong plema. And ano pa, Luis?
Huwag masyadong may matamis.
Kung kumain ng sweets. Saan ba titingin? Dito pala. And the baby drink ascorbic acid and wear face mask.